talk about SEO as a career in freelancing sites. You can register there and provide your SEO expert skill, so you can start your career as a SEO, search engine optimization, on freelancing sites. So they provide you the all amount of things. Many entrepreneurs nowadays using $100 to fulfill SEO requirement by outsourcing their work would be sufficient, so you don't fail the same way. The best SEO freelance website according to the top SEO experts. Search engine optimization can be confusing, especially people whose skills are more suited to entrepreneurship and management. So let's talk about the SEO, how you can start your career. There are plenty of websites. You can start by providing services on, on these websites as a SEO expert. You can register there and provide their SEO expert skill on these sites. The first website is Upwork. Upwork is an excellent SEO specialist website. The, I'm also a big fan of this because it is easy to check up on freelancers, past projects, and to see how they did. So Upwork really help you. The other one is Fiverr. Fiverr website really help you to get the start your career, the boost. You will find many customers there who will approach you for their work, so you can register on Fiverr and provide your SEO expertise there. People per hour, the other one is, this website is also one of the best. This provide per hour for your work. You can register on people per hour website and provide your skills to the customers through this site, people per hour. The other one is, let's talk about this website in detail now. So you can start your career as SEO expert career. These websites are completely transparent and will tell you that all the third-party freelance selling platform have more digital marketing acts, so you can get the easily your task if you register there, and you will get the opportunity to serve the client, and you will make the handsome amount through these websites. If you are starting your career as a SEO, these are the one of the best websites to start your career as a SEO.